How to delete your YouTube account on your mobile phone Android. So the first thing you will need to do is to basically close the YouTube application and then open up your Google Chrome browser or whatever browser you have, but preferably Google browser because you will need to be signed into your Google account. And you should be signed into the account that owns the YouTube channel, and then click on your profile logo on the top. Now you want to click on, and then you want to click on your profile name on the top here, and scroll down and click on manage your Google account. And then you want to click on data and privacy. And then you will need to scroll all the way down and click on delete a Google service. And then you want to click on the trash icon next to the YouTube app or the YouTube logo. And once you confirm by using your code or lock screen code, you'll be able to see this page where you can expand I want to permanently delete my content. And then you can check the first checkbox and the second one as well, which will delete everything you own on this account on the YouTube service, including your channels, your videos, your playlists, your everything. And then you want to click on delete my content, and this will go and completely delete your content from YouTube. Or you can choose to hide your channel temporarily, and then you can restore it back whenever you like. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.